In a tapestry of dreams, few threads shine like the Shah Rukh Khans. Today, September 23, 2025, as he claimed his first ever National Film Award for Jawan after 33 years of unparalleled dedication. We honor not just the trophy, but a life that roars. Rise above, dream boundlessly, and unite hearts. SRK's Odyssey reminds us of resilience. You're watching the Central Post. This is Samiksha Ajay, and today let's break down the story of Bollywood's eternal king. Our tale begins November 2, 1965, in New Delhi's Rajendra Nagar. Born to courage, Shah Rukh's father, Mir Taj Muhammad Khan, a freedom fighter who fled Peshawar during partition, built a modest business with grit. His mother, Latif Fatima, a trailblazing magistrate in Oxford alum, sparked ambition. But tragedy struck early. Cancer took his father when he was 15, and diabetes claimed his mother in 1991, orphaning him as stardom dawned. With sister Shahnaz by his side, SRK turned grief into fire. Shining in the theatre at San Columbus and studying at Hansraj College, he honed his craft at the National School of Drama. His mantra? I sleep on problems, so they fear me when I wake up. A lesson which means adversity forges greatness. In 1991, SRK married Gauri Chibbar, a Hindu-Muslim born defying norms, later welcoming Aryans, Suhana and Abram. His secular heart, shaped by a unified upbringing, inspired all. His TV roles in Fauji 1989, A Spirited Soldier, and Circus 1989, A Dreamer, set the stage. And then Bollywood caught. The 1990s crowned SRK. His first movie was Deewana 1992, and then Bazigar 1993, stunned as a vengeful anti-hero. To win, you must lose first. Then Dilwale Dulhaniya Le Jayenge 1995, DDLJ redefined love. Raj's pursuit teaching persistence, still running after 29 years. And then Kuch Kuch Hota Hai 1998 healed hearts to rediscovered love. And the 2000s Sword. Devdas 2002, a tragic lover, earned Cannes ovations. Swadesh 2004, a NASA scientist uplifting India, poured patriotism. And Chak De India 2007 rallied underdogs. 70 minutes, that's a shot. And then My Name is Khan 2010, fighting prejudice post 9/11, preached unity. His every single role inspired love, duty, humanity, yet national honor stayed elusive. Why no national awards until now? This question had been in the minds of each one of his fans. Despite 14 filmfares, global acclaims, SRK's iconic roles were snubbed for 33 years. A puzzle fans call Bollywood's greatest oversight. Devdas' depth, Swadesh Souls, Chak De India's grit, and My Name is Khan's humanity each deserved recognition. Experts point to jury bias. Early panels favored niche art house films over SRK's commercial epics, dismissing their nuance. Some whisper politics. His mass appeal, secular stance, or industry rivalries played a part. As SRK himself mused on Swadesh, he said, I thought I deserved it. Post on X echoes fans' frustrations. How was Chak De India ignored? Meanwhile, SRK's response? Resilience, never bitterness, inspiring us saying greatness shines even without validation. Today, Jawan wins, but in reality, it's a crown for 33 years of overlooked brilliance. As Storms 2 tested the king, as Kolkata Knight Riders IPL owner since 2008, feuds with Saurav Ganguly and coach Buchanan sparked debate. US airport detentions in 2009 and 2012 raised racial profiling questions. A 2012 Wankhede brawl brought a 5-year ban, later reduced to 3. In 2021, Son Aryan's drug case, 25 days in jail amid media frenzy, tested family bonds. But SRK's silent strength inspired. Protect what matters. Pathan's 2023 boycott drove feud, yet he triumphed. His mantra, don't let success rush to your head, nor failure to your heart. As in 2023, the king roared back. Pathan defied hate, grossing 1,050 crore as a spy hero. Jawan hit 1,148 crore, a father's crusade for justice. Over 2,200 crore combined, they revived Bollywood, proving at 59 that reinvention is timeless. SRK4's biggest star rules globally, Middle East to Europe. Films dubbed in 50 plus languages. Locarno 2024 honoree Yale Speaker. Hard work is the only prayer. India's richest actor with 7,300 crore of net worth, according to Hudum. His $120.7 million brands fuel Hyundai, Mitra, and billions in jobs. And the saga continues. King, status for 2026, sees SRK mentoring daughter Suhana in an action-packed mentor-protege tale, with Abhishek Bachchan as foe and stars like Deepika. It's a dynasty building at its finest. As President Draupadi Murmu handed him the National Film Award for Jawan today, remember, it was the moment that crowned 33 years of relentless passion. From Delhi's humble shadows to the world's brightest stages, his odyssey of resilience and unity inspires us all. Dream fiercely, love boundlessly, and rise eternally. As he once said, life is not about perfection, it's about persistence. As this award immortalizes a legacy that lights up billions of hearts. It's a reminder how one soul's courage inspires the whole world to dream forever. So keep dreaming big and keep watching the Central Post.